Hi, John here. Today we're going to speedrun through this ice material. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, check out C. Bailey's video, you'll find the link in the description. So let's get right into it. First of all, obliterate the default cube, add a plane and a sphere. This way we can compare the material on two different surfaces. Add a subdivision and a displace modifier with cloud textures. Turn the lights off, add the sun and move the camera into a better position. Go into the shading editor and create a new material. Let's start by adding a French guy node, the vornoin texture. So, I just found out that actually vornoin is an Ukrainian guy and not French, and that he used to sell bootleg cigarettes to Slavs in his free time. Okay, I'm getting off track here. Add a color ramp. Change the colors to something that looks like ice. Then add another one, but this time change the time from ease to constant. Add the same material to the plane so we can see the material a little bit better. Now adjust the scale of the vornoin texture. Next add a noise texture, a color ramp and a bump node. Connect these two together. You can see what this is doing by plugging it into the emission. Adjust the scale, roughness and distortion. Then plug it into the normal when you're done. I know this took quite a lot guys, but just a few nodes left guys, please bear with me for a second. Duplicate this color ramp and add a mix RGB, switch it to multiply. Plug the first two nodes in and set the factor to 1. Then add another mix RGB and switch it to add. Connect it to the color ramp above and plug everything into the bump node. Now you can see the bump is being added to the vornoin texture only. Now you can change the vornoin texture to something better, like a bigger scale and maybe change the type to F2. You can also change the randomness a bit to make it look better. Now just play with these settings, the scale, the colors and the bump until you get something that you like. In the render viewport you can see the final result a little better. You can add the subsurface as well. Change the radius to 0.2, 0.1 and 1 in order to get the bluish-like surface like I did. Finally, change some things in the principal BSDF. You can make it look a bit more metallic, bring the roughness down, bring the specular up and things like that. You should decide by yourself what looks better. I always get different results when making this. Another thing that makes everything look better is the light. Add some point lights with some light blue around your object. And here we go! Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video and leave some feedback if you feel like doing so. It really helps me improve the quality. So stay ice cold boys and see you in the next one. Goodbye.